In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Ctrader demo account. If you've created a few test accounts while practicing, cleaning them up keeps your workspace tidy and prevents confusion with your live profiles. We'll walk through the process clearly, and I'll share a few tips along the way to make sure you're deleting the right thing. First, sign into Ctrader using your Ctrader ID. This is the single login that connects your accounts across brokers and platforms, and it's different from logging directly into a broker server. Open the official Ctrader platform or website, enter your credentials, and wait for the dashboard to load. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that you're using the correct profile where the demo account was created. Next, head to the Accounts tab. This is the hub where Ctrader lists all the accounts linked to your ID. You'll typically see sections or labels distinguishing live from demo. Focus on the demo section for this task. If the layout looks cramped, try maximizing the window so you can see all the available options. Now, find the specific demo account you want to remove and hover your mouse over it. Hovering reveals quick actions that aren't visible by default. Take a moment to confirm it's truly a demo account by checking the label and any identifying details. If you have multiple demo accounts, double check the one you actually want to delete so you don't remove the wrong profile by mistake. When the hover options appear, click Remove Account or Delete. The exact wording can vary depending on your Ctrader version, but both options perform the same action here. They remove the selected demo account from your account list. This will not delete your overall Ctrader ID, and it will not touch your live accounts. Finally, confirm the deletion in the prompt that pops up. Ctrader adds this step to prevent accidental removals. Review the prompt carefully, then proceed. Once confirmed, the demo account and its local history will be removed from your list. If you ever need a new demo later, you can create one again, but the specific history from the deleted demo won't return. If you don't see the delete option, make sure you're hovering over a demo account, not a live one. Try widening the window, updating the app, or signing out and back in, and always double check the account type before confirming. That's it. Your demo account is now deleted. Thanks for watching, and keep your workspace organized for smoother trading practice.